Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. I love you guys. Today I'm going to parboil my chicken before putting it in the oven. Yes, I'm going to parboil it first before putting it in the oven. Actually, I don't like using oil to fry, vegetable oil to fry my chicken. I prefer putting it in the oven. As you can see, I've slided a bit of onions inside the chicken. And the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm adding a thyme, and I'm going to add curry as well, and I will put salt, and depending on how you want to, depending on the spice or the ingredients you want to put in your chicken, but I prefer putting curry and thyme, salt and maggi and garlic and ginger. Yes, those combinations bring life to the chicken. Yes, you can try it. Try it will convince you. Now, as you can see, I'm stirring it now, and I'm going to leave it to cook for a minute before I put it in the oven. Yes, before I put it in the oven. Let's see. Okay, let's close it to cook for a minute. Okay, now it's ready. Our chicken is ready. It's almost ready. Yeah, now it's ready. So I'm going to put it in the oven. Yes, this is actually nice. And you may be asking, I put a bit of what they call it, soya spice. Yes, soya spice. I put a bit of soya spice in it, and also had tomato. Yes, depending on how you want it. Thank you guys, I love you.